Hey guys, welcome back to another Jay's Trucking Show. Today, as promised, we're going to do this windows chops. And the first thing you got to do is you need to clean the grease off the top all the way around like that. You want to make sure you clean that, because if not, what'll happen is whenever you go to stick it on, it won't stay. So you want to try to get all that grease and all that stuff off. Make sure you get it off. Don't like, see all that. You want to see a real pretty, in my case, white. Depending on what kind of truck you got or what have you. Make sure you get all that. See all that crap. Don't have time for that. Don't have enough. Spray her down. Mr. Miyagi. Wax on, wax off. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, that's all been touched. It's always better to start with a fresh rag. That rag I done a little bit on the side over here. Well, I kind of just tested it out. I had some stickers down there at the bottom right there. And right there beside that 19 on the right, there was a big place where a sticker like that it used to be, and look what it done. It wiped it off clean. So this stuff right here is pretty high quality stuff. It'll get off pretty good. That right there looks really good. If I'm not sponsoring this, but if you guys ever want to go like to Walmart and buy like some Goo Goon, trusted #1 brand, I don't know about all that, but spray gel, and it removes wood glue, like tape residue, stuff like that, grease, tar, all kinds of stuff like that. It'll remove it. So keep that in mind if you guys ever want to do this. It's pretty good stuff, and I think I only paid like $3 for it or something, so it's like fairly cheap. All right, guys. There's the window chops. Take it out of its, I guess, decent manufactured paper that's halfway ripped, and scratched it a little bit, but yeah, all right, I guess. Let's see what it looks like just like this. That right there looks pretty good, guys. I like it. It ain't even on the door yet. Peel this off here. It don't want to come off for some reason. Stuck on that good. All right, guys, you ready? You ready? Let me go ahead and we'll do it together. 1, 2, 3. Man, that looks good. Guys, that come out better than I thought it was gonna come out, honestly. That right there is pretty. All right, guys, next side. Look at that. Dirty, 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 dirty. Whoop. Junky manufactured bag. To show you guys what else I'm probably gonna be working on next. So the next thing I'm probably gonna work on is I have decided what I'm gonna do. These right here, I'm gonna change these out. And there's gonna be lights right here on the end right here. I'm gonna change both of these out right here. Instead of just replacing that top shield right there, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna replace both of them. Might as well just replace both of them. And obviously the bumpers got to go. I'm already in talks with a guy a friend of mine, and we're gonna get all this right here all fixed, all down through here. And the grill, of course, see how it's kind of bent, it's a little bit bent right there. Well, we're gonna get that fixed as well. We're probably just gonna replace the whole entire grill. More than likely, it'd probably be better just to do that way. Obviously, I've done told you guys the headlights. I'm probably gonna change this out right here. I ain't decided what one I want yet. I'm probably gonna get the one that's chrome. Since I've done the chrome window chops, we're probably gonna do the chrome air vents with the little light down the side. I'm probably gonna do that on both sides. This right here, I remember whenever I was telling you guys on the video the other day, I said, we're gonna do this black. No, we're not. We're not gonna do this black. We're gonna have it painted white. We're gonna have it painted white like this right here and this up here, but it's probably gonna be closer to this right here. I'm probably gonna have all that done at the same time. Whenever I have the body work done on that, I'm probably gonna have this done as well. Obviously, I've told you guys, this used to be a company truck before I'd started the lease purchase on it. So there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be done to it. I'm wanting to put lights down through here like this. This right here, I haven't decided whether or not if I'm going to replace it or if I'm just going to take it off. Leave your guys' comments in the description, and just let me know what you guys think or what I should do to it next. But as far as oh yeah, back here, we're gonna put 4 lights down through there. That middle thing right there, that's just a load lock. So I can remove that anytime I want. I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna put 4 lights there and 4 lights there. See these little things right here? These little harnesses? Those little harnesses right there for work lights. And what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna put work lights on those. And these work lights that's already here, these like utility lights, cab lights, whatever you wanna call them, I'm probably gonna change those out, change them to red, because the holes are gonna be the same up there as down here. So I might just go ahead and put 2 up there, put 4 down, 2 up there, and then you got 2 down here, and that'll look pretty good, in my opinion. So you do that and put them all red. Obviously, we're going to do some polishing. Wanting to get the lights back here. I'm going to get a light bar back here on both sides. I have these ugly things right here removed. I'm also going to have a light bar back right under here. I'm gonna have a light bar under there. I'm gonna get rid of these, and I'm gonna get probably the low rider. I can't think of the name of them, guys, but probably gonna get those. I got a buddy that's got some, so I'm gonna ask him, see what he thinks about it. Obviously chrome. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys like this video. The window chops turned out pretty good, in my opinion. So the next thing we're probably gonna do, more than likely, is we are probably gonna look into either getting a visor or a front bumper. One other thing before I forget, we're gonna get new hubcaps in here, and obviously I got a couple missing. I've been in road construction all week, and I tell you right now, I don't know, I guess I must have hit one of those things or something, but I lost a couple. I must have not hit it too hard, or it may have just fell off. I didn't have them because look, they're real easy to remove, so might have just fell off too, because I probably ain't hit nothing. Obviously I've told you guys the mirror caps, but either A, we're going to replace that visor up there, or B, we're going to get the bumper fixed. I'm thinking probably more toward the bumper, because the bumper looks like crap, and that visor, it doesn't look the greatest in the world, but it'll hold up for a little bit until I can decide what I want to do with it. I've got one picked out for it. I think it looks pretty good. So stay tuned for that, guys. But if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. The new Jay's Daily Route Part 5 is going to be coming out probably Monday afternoon sometime, so stay tuned for that. Giveaway. I know y'all been waiting on this giveaway. Y'all been waiting for me to say it. You guys probably thought I was going to forget. Well, you're wrong. I didn't forget. This $500 I've been telling you guys about, we are going to do it September 1st. September 1st. There has to be 100 subscribers to achieve a winner. The main thing is you got to like this video, you got to be subscribed, and you got to comment your name in the below this video so I know who to send the money to. That's going to be the end of it, guys. All glory to God. All glory to God, as I say every single video. And that's like I said, the last video I just made, that is not just a slogan. That is from my heart. And I truly mean that, and I hold that right beside me, guys. And I promise you guys, from now on, I'm going to make good videos, and we're going to start doing stuff like this. I got a lot of stuff planned. I just showed you. And that's going to be it. See you guys later.